Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to see what is regular expressions in JavaScript. The regular expression is needed for define patterns for matching things. Here what is the patterns means, that is performing some operations like email validating or phone number validating. That means that we entering correct information in the given input field clicked by the regular expression in JavaScript, or searching for a string in the web page, or replacing that string with the given string in the web page. The regular expression is needed. Here, where are the regular expressions are needed? First, string validation, used in form validation, that is email. Here, what is form validation? That is checking that we enter correct information in the given input field. That means if we suppose imagine this is input field for email, the correct syntax of email is abc@gmail.com. Basically, the syntax of email comes like this. If I give like this, then it accept. Otherwise, it shows error. If we take an example, if I given abc and given like this .com, then it shows you are entering invalid information. This is the use of regular expression. When we use regular expression, it creates the constraints for the input fields in the form. That means that the data entered in the user is checking correct or not by using the regular expression. This is the wrong form of data. Definitely it shows error when we submitting the form. If suppose imagine if this is a check field for taking phone number, I am giving the phone number like this 97654321. Here how many numbers are there? There are 9 numbers. If I enter more than 10 numbers, that is 10, 11, 12, like this, the phone number will not be accepted. Why? Because the basic structure of phone number is 10 numbers. If we enter more than 10 numbers, or if we enter less than 10 numbers, then it doesn't take the phone number is shows you are entered invalid phone number. Like this, the constraint is applied to input field by using regular expressions. Now let us see the second one. The second back is second the given string element. For example, in the search field, given data is second the particular HTML page. If the data element is found, then it prints the data element. If the data element is not found, then it prints null. In simple words, it is like searching some particular element in by using the search. Then what is the next one? Text replacement. It represents the given string with the present thing that is in the web page. That means if you want to replace the particular element from the HTML file, then we use str.replace function. Here fourth one, data cleaning is also either data cleaning. If we want to remove unwanted characters or paste on HTML text, like removing the unwanted while pastes or removing the character that we don't want to paste in the web page, use the regular expressions. Here what is the basic syntax for regular expression? Here you can see I taken the let keyword. Why let keyword is used? Let keyword is used to define the variables. That is, this value will be changed according to the situations. If the value doesn't change on constant, then we use const keyword. After taking let keyword, I press RegEx. This means regular expressions. Here RegEx, this is the shortcut form of regular expressions that we use in program. After pressing RegEx, I take the one number after placing the variable name, then I given the assignment operator, then I paste the forward slash in between forward slash, I paste the content hello. This is the basic syntax of regular expression. What are the things methods used in regular expression means str.max. It is used to search and make the information in the web page. After searching the information, if the data is found, then the max is confirmed the data is in HTML file. Here what is str.replace? It replaces the string with the string present in the web page. Here I am giving the string that is in the web page. After giving the string that is in the web page, then I paste the comma operator. Then of comma operator, I paste the new string that I want to replace with it. This is the syntax for str replace. And now let us see what the RegEx methods. There are two types of methods, that is regular expression methods. Here we can see an example program. This is the example program. Here I take regx.set and regx.x. Here now let us execute the program. Here you can see when I use regx.set method, it pins true. But it pins true means here in variable I given the world data, then I perform search operation. Here regx.set method is used to perform search operation. If the data is found, then it pins true, or if data is not found in the HTML page, then it pins false. In the hello world string, there is a present of world data also. That's why it's written true. If I remove the world and run and debug the program again, here you can see the false values come. Why? Because now the world data is not present in the doc. Here what is the use of the regx.x method means? It is used to pin the information that is available after search. That is, if after searching operation is performed, if the string is present in the given string, and otherwise it pins null. Here you can see the world data is not present in x regx.x method. That's why it pins null. If I paste the world data here, and run and debug the program again, here you can see now the world data is found with the search element, then it pins the data world. If the data is found, then it pins the data that is found. If data is not found, then it pins null. This is the use of regx.x method. Now let us see what are the special characters used in regx, that is regular expressions. Here special characters is needed to indicate that we apply constraints to the particular HTML input fields. That means if we create a text field for entering telephone or email like this, then we have to paste the constraints. That's why the special characters is used. Here the dot special character is used to accept any number of characters except new lines. That means it doesn't accept any characters. That is a to get or 0 to 9, any number of characters. Here what is backward slash d means? Here note point is there. This is called here. If we paste backward slash called, then the digits from 0 to 9, that is accepted. The digits other than 0 to 9 is not accepted. That is This is limited up to 0 to 9 characters, that is numbers. If we enter more than 0 to 9 numbers, then it doesn't accept. What is backwards and W means, it accepts the word characters like letters, numbers, it accepts words, characters. Here, backwards slash means it accepts the white pattern, that is the page. If we want to apply the content for the pages in the input field, then we use backward slash. Here the cap symbol is used to start up string. When we use cap symbol, the string is started from here. That means whatever the content we paste after the cap symbol. For example, here I am pasting here cap symbol. Cap symbol. Hello. The whatever the remaining thing is in the programming is started after the hello string. If you want to end the string with the given string, then we use dollar symbol. That is, if we use dollar symbol, the string will be added at the last of the string in our page. Here plus operator is used to combine one or more data. Hope you understand my explanation. If you understand my explanation, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.